Boiling water can freeze faster than cold water. Yes, really, this is called the Mpemba effect. Scientists observed that hot water sometimes freezes quicker than cold water under specific conditions. Why? Evaporation removes heat faster. Hot water circulates differently, dissolved gases escape. Physics still argues about the exact reason. If you like learning things that sound fake but are real, and you are too lazy to read science books, this channel is made for you.